understood the whole pronoun thing, or why people think it was okay to push their agenda till we believe, or burning our flag and waving their own, talking trash but they don't want to go home, 'cause they're in the land of the free. Sounds like a whole lot of bullshit to me. Yeah, I'm for Friday night light football games, tailgate dancing on a Chevrolet, and checkered flags that fly high